Welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm for August. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright, let's open her up and see what we got. It's a pretty small box this month. This is the base box for August. This is what it looks like. Opened up. We got the card in there. All the goodies. Hopefully goodies. Alright, let's see. This month it says Boxycharm Go All Out. Super cute card. It's variation C, 21 is a year, 8 is August, 066. So that is the variation for my box. Alright, so the first thing I see is a eyeshadow palette. Super cute. Looks like it's from Laura Geller. This is the outside of the box. Let's see, it's got its shade names right here. Let's open it up. Pretty classic packaging. Classic black and white lettering. Same shades on names on the back of the palette. It has a mirror inside. This would be good for traveling. These are the shades in the inside. Let's see. It says Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette, 12 Shades, Endless Ways. This pressed eyeshadow palette features velvety matte and shimmering suede finishes to create perfect looks for day and night. The silky texture blends effortlessly on the lids and delivers comfortable crease-proof color that stays put. Want a smoky eye? Done. How about a soft, natural effect? Done. Achieve a different, easy look for every mood and occasion. The MSRP for this item is $45. So that's our first item in the box. The next product I pick up is from Dr. Lily Fan. It says a probiotic lash enhancer with patent peptides technology. So, if you've seen my Ipsy unbagging, I did get a lash, the same type of product in that box also. But I love trying new products, so I can't wait to try this. It says It says Lash Enhancer, Lash Activator. That is the outside. Let's see. It says the exclusive formula featuring a patent peptide complex is natural and safe to use. With clinical results, it delivers the wow effect while providing length and volume. It helps promote the natural growth of beautifully long and healthy lashes. Apply at night to help you get gorgeous lashes. With continuous use, grow longer and fuller lashes in 4 to 12 weeks. The MSRP for this item is $68. Lash serums are very expensive. The one that I'm currently using, like I said in my Ipsy video, is the Babe Lash, which is a good one. You just can't get it close to your eyes because it will burn your eyes. I just put it like right on the top of my lash line. You could also put it in your brows if you have sparse brows to help those grow. So let's see. The next item I pull out, it says Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. What? Give me some booty drops. Caffeine, a butt fork lift. Grapeseed oil for a baby soft booty. Oh my gosh. I need some of that. Booty boosting caffeine. It comes in a little dropper. It says squeeze 3 to 4 drops into your moisturizer or use directly on dry skin. Rub all over your body. Use daily. So it's saying that you could put this in your daily moisturizer, add it to that when you're using your body lotion. Drop it like you're hot. Drop it like you're hot, bitch. Drop it like you're hot. It says Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. Drop it like you're hot. Booty Drops is a firming body oil to help smooth you over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, guarana to energize, guarana, guarana to energize, carrot root extract to hydrate, plus grapeseed and jojoba oils to soften skin and get you glowing. Drop it straight into your booty for soft and firm skin, or mix with your moisturizer for extra perks. The MSRP for this item is $17.95. This is so funny. That's fun. Booty drops. Booty drops in my boxy. The next item I pick up is from Truly Beauty. This looks like a pineapple haze CBD glossy lip butter, which I love me some lip butters. Ooh. It looks like it's leaked. It smells. Look at inside. Oh, no, 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 no. I wouldn't use that. No, I don't think I'm going to use this. Let's see what it says. It says, Truly Beauty Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. Soak in the benefits of hemp jojoba vitamin E to hydrate and condition your lips while protecting them against everyday environmental aggressors like the sun and dry weather. It's a perfect daily balm that adds a juicy shine to your lips while locking in moisture all day long. You can even smoother it. Is that a typo? You can even smoother it on before bed as a nighttime repairing nighttime repairing lip mask. The MSRP for this item is $16. I will not be using this lip butter because it's all separated in there. Look at the color. I will be emailing Boxy. Alright, so the last item I pick up is an item from Mana Kadar Skincare Hydrating Face Mist. Ooh, that sounds nice. This is what it looks like. Let's see how the mystery is on it. It's sealed, so that's good. I don't think I've heard of this brand, Mana Kadar Beauty. Let's see. It says it's made in China. I never heard of this brand. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like perfume. Let's see this mister. It has like a body mist, but it smells like perfume. So it smells like it would be a body mist, but this says face mist. I don't think I would put this on my face because I have sensitive skin. So I don't know, I kind of would be scared, but it has a pretty scent. I don't know if it would fade away because it does have like that perfumey smell. I don't know, it kind of faded away when I rubbed it in. Yeah, it kind of fades to nothing, so I might try it. Mana Kadar Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist. And who am I joking? You know I'm going to try it. I like to try it. Soothe and refresh tired skin with a mist that preps skin for a hydrating base before makeup application. Oh, before makeup application. This mighty mix of minerals wakes up skin, leaving you ready to take on the rest of the day. So you put this on your skin before you put on your makeup to prep your skin. Ooh, that sounds nice. It says, known as one of the natural wonders of the world, the Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. These ingredients, such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and potassium, are known for their ability to help soothe, cleanse, revitalize, and strengthen skin. That sounds really nice. It says, Sea Minerals Hydrating Face Mist contains minerals known for improving circulation and hydration, leaving you with that after vacation glow all year round. I do have a face mist that Ilia Beauty sent me over, which is really good. It's kind of reminds me of that. This is their blue light filter mist. It's protects and set mist. So you put this on before you put on your makeup, and it protects your skin from environmental aggressors and blue light, like the blue lights on our screen. I guess it wouldn't be the same because this says it doesn't say that it does that too. But I do have a kind of mist that preps your skin before makeup application, and this one's really good. This one's from Ilia Beauty. So Alright, let's see what we got. How much did this bag cost? Alright, let's see what we got. We got the Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette, which was $45. Then we got the Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic X Lash Enhancer, which was $68. Then the Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil, which is $17.95. I love body oil. I use body oil every day. Every night after I take a shower, I put body oil on. And then the Truly Beauty Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter, which was $16, which I will not be using that. Then the Mona Kadar Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist, which was $19. So the total for this box is $146.95. So what do y'all think? Do y'all get Boxycharm? And if you're ever interested in Boxycharm or Ipsy or any of the products that I always talk about in my videos, I always leave it in the description box. But if you do receive Boxy, did we get any similar items? If you don't, which items did you like? Which items did you do not like? Have you tried before? Let's talk in the comment section. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I love y'all so much. Until next time, y'all stay blessed.